Hello everyone, my name is Anton, and in this video I want to kind of show a plugin here that can really help you out if you're dealing with a lot of different tabs and you continually open up the same tab over and over, and the default action is basically to open up a new tab even if the tab is already open. So if you're one of these people that really want to stop opening up duplicate tabs within Obsidian, this is going to be the plugin for you. So the scenario that I typically have is that if I'm in my vault and I'm opening up different documents here, I may open up one, then I open up another tab so that I can open up a new file, because if you are on a tab and you open up the file, it's going to open that file up again, as you see right now. So in this scenario I have both of these open, and if I open up another tab, it will let me continually do the same thing here, and before you know it, you have a bunch of tabs open that are of the same content. And it won't just be one file, you'll probably have multiple different files open in multiple different tabs, which can get a bit unruly, and it's also an efficiency suck because you have to constantly sit here and look at the tabs you have open and then manually close those tabs. So with this plugin, if we just go into the community plugins directory, we browse, what the plugin you're going to want is MonoNote. This plugin MonoNote will do a couple things, and the initial one here is obviously to prevent you from opening up duplicate tabs within your environment. And the other one is going to be that if you already have them open, this is not going to be the case after you've already installed the plugin, obviously. But if you already have a bunch of them open, as soon as you install this here, it'll completely go ahead and fix that particular issue. Once you open up that file again, if it sees any duplicates, it will immediately close all the other ones for you. Now in here, you can come in here and you can also change the delay time. This is really the only setting that you have, so it's pretty simple. And what they pretty much note here is that if you're finding that it's kind of switching back and forth between the different tabs, you may have to set the delay a little bit higher. I haven't had any issue with this, but depending on the vault size and how long it takes, this could be an issue for you. So you just come in here and tweak the actual sizes here. They have some preset ones there for you, and until it actually works for your needs. Now we can go ahead and close that up, and immediately we can see here I have these three open there. And if I want to come in here and I create a new tab, obviously I wouldn't do this intentionally, but if I'm just doing my normal thing within here, I typically will come in here and just kind of, if I wanted to see the today note, I will quickly go to this shortcut button, I will hit it, and so it takes me to the actual daily note. Now we can see one thing that it did do was clean up all the other duplicates that were in there for this daily note, but it did actually open that daily note for me on that first initial try. The second time, because it did have other tabs that it was trying to clean up there, it kind of switched around to the tab that I did not actually want open. But if you go ahead and you do it again, it will actually start working once things are the way they need to be. So if you're one of those people that are constantly dealing with duplicate tabs of the same note, this is the plugin for you. If you found this video interesting or insightful, or of any value, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And until the next time, have a nice day.